Welcome back to my channel, Mamta's Spiritual Radiance, which is a tarot reading channel. And today the reading is for the star sign Gemini for July 2021. Now this is going to be a general reading and it may or may not resonate with all of you there. However, please try to take the key messages and try to understand what is the energy around you or how the circumstances around you going to be in the month of July. So as usual, I have begun with a Signifactor card for you, which gives a message around what is the main energy for you in this month. And the card that I got is the card Empress, which says that there would be lavish abundance and you might be able to fulfill your dreams. Definitely with all the happiness and pleasant feeling around, you would be able to take care of yourself well and the family around you. So now moving ahead to the 5-card reading that I have here. In the recent past position, I have got the card 10 of Wands, which actually means that probably the month of June or towards the end of June, you have been so worked up that now you feel the fatigue from it. Now you feel the body pains from all the extra work or the hardship that you have done. And probably you were wondering when will this end up, because how long will this hardship go on? So 10 of Wands also mean a completion of cycle. So though July begins with a lingering effect from the months of June, which is going to be very hectic schedule, back-to-back work, finding difficulty in balancing the work life with the home life, it seems that you begin your July also with a kind of struggle that though you are making efforts to bring down the workload, though you are making efforts to ease away the challenges or the difficult times around you, you would have to be very persistent into it. What you need to do is, you realize that somewhere this extra hectic schedule is blocking your time with your family, with the loved ones around you, probably not giving you enough time to take care of your near and dear ones, and you will have to take very good measures, very thoughtful measures and practical measures to cut away those extra hours or cut away those extra tasks that are coming around you. Why? Because what you want to do is you want to spend time with your family. You have been doing so well, you have been successful in providing to the needs of your family, but you also want to relish or you also want to enjoy the success with the family around. You want to know what the family thinks about you or how the family is able to appreciate the goodies or all the comfort you have given to them, and you want to enjoy sitting along with the family around you. While the sentiments are there, while this thought process is there, you yourself will have to take efforts first to be very dedicated to the thought process that you want to cut down the extra load, that you want to cut down the extra work coming your way, and then proceed with love and affection to your near and dear families. With the current COVID scenarios around, you would also have to be very extra careful. Somewhere you have that fear or that second thoughts in your mind that would we all as a family be able to go past this COVID scenarios, which is quite horrifying or dangerous outside when we get all the horrible news around. So what you need to be extra cautious is, yes, you are supposed to be there to be able to support your family emotionally and physically and see to it that they themselves are taking good care of themselves. This is a time when you need to take care of your own health and the loved ones around you, because we are aware that this could be a difficult time with the current COVID situations around. What other messages that I'm getting from you, from the angels, is when I tried clarifying all your cards, is that you have given well to your business, you have given well to your professional life, and this is the time now that yes, you can take some time away for yourself. The process or the project or the business will do well. You need not be there 100% to physically or yourself give all the required 100 hours there. You can definitely dedicate or cascade or divide your work with the co-workers out there, because what's happening is that when you're giving your total attention to your work, you're missing on the time that you have with your family, the precious, crucial time that you have with your family, which you're supposed to spend now. And what happens is, like, you're finding it difficult that how will I ever be able to balance it? Because my work is also compulsory. My work is also very needy now, and my family is also being very needy now. So this is going to be a very challenging time for you. But you know deep down in your heart, what you basically need is you need to have some good time with your family. And that's the reason you need to be very thoughtful. You need to be very practical about the ways you deal with the family around. You can't just keep on thinking all the time, now yes, this is what I want to do, but I'll do it when the right time comes to you. That should not be the thought process. The right time is here. You have been thinking about it a long time. Probably you have been also thinking about some other projects you had always wanted to take, so that it eases the workload on you. But you have not been able to take that step because you never felt that it was the right time. What you need to do is that, yes, once an opportunity comes, but even when you see a small opening out there, grab that opportunity. Jump upon the opportunity to do something on your own, which you have been planning since a very long time. You have been planning this because you wanted some me time, you wanted some family time with the loved ones around you. So this is more of a energy, a loving energy, which is coming from you for the family around you, to be able to enjoy what you have gathered so far and enjoy it to its most maximum. There's a caution for you. Please take care of your health and your family. Do not take unnecessary trips outside, and see to it that you are there for your near and dear ones. I hope this reading resonates with the most of you out there, and it does. What I see, Gemini, is that you have a very deep-seated longing in your heart to be able to connect with your family. And just don't make it a longing itself. Act on it. Grab that opportunity to be with your family. Spend some time with them. If required, take leaves. Delegate your work. Divide your work. Get other people to do it. Or you might come across an opportunity wherein you have been offered the dream job, that yes, wherein you would not require to give all your 100 hours or all by yourself. So take that opportunity and try to prioritize your family, try to prioritize your loved ones around you, and give some time to them. So it's a very loving message for you, Gemini. Hope you relate to it. Hope you resonate to it. And please do let me know what your thought process is for this reading, what your comments are. And let me know if you have any other queries or a different way that you would want me to do these readings for you. So till we connect the next time, I wish all the best. I wish all the best for you, Gemini. Goodbye. Take care.